This my ooh, hold on. This is my first time doing the calf part though. Oh wow. Ooh. Okay, y'all see me on camera, but I'm just giving y'all a close look. I'm gonna roll my pants leg up and let y'all see. Like, I don't really kind of hurt. It honestly does kind of hurt. I think I like the, ooh, hold on. Ooh. I think I like this better on my feet. Okay, please excuse the ashiness. I'm wearing pants, so y'all excuse me. And I'm at home, but I ain't doing nothing, so it's okay. Okay, so I just want y'all to see a close up to like what it's doing. And yeah, I honestly think I like it better on my feet. I kind of like this one because it's going slow. So if y'all do y'all calf muscles, I recommend y'all do like the slow option. But I love the way it feels on my feet. I will continue to use it on my feet. Another thing I was told is that you can do it on your arms as well. I'm about to see about that. I think they stick this part of your arm. So I'm gonna, oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna do 4. Hold on. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Woo. Yeah, I like this. But just as my initial review for this product, I love it. I will be giving this to my dad for Father's Day, and he said that he would love this, so you know I'm gonna give it to him. And he be on his feet a lot, so you know he gonna love it. I know for sure. My feet feel rejuvenated right now. Like my feet are tingling, not a bad tingling either. It's like it just feel, my feet feel really good right now. I ain't gonna lie. I'm up here wiggling them. Yeah, if y'all want to go purchase this, I'll leave everything down below so y'all can go get this amazing product. Cause I promise you, you guys, if you want to get maybe a late Father's Day present, because I don't know when I'm gonna have this up, or any present for your mom, your dad, your grandma, like for you, it don't matter. If y'all want to get this amazing machine, go ahead and do that. Because when I tell y'all, it feels like somebody actually grabbing your feet and massaging it for you. As well, they have a lot of other stuff on their website. They got all other kinds of massagers. They got it in different colors. They got all of it, y'all. So if y'all want to go check them out, I'll leave everything down below so y'all could go check out their website. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.